Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Kind of work backwards here today. This is what I just finished. As you can see, it looks like trash right here with all the chain hanging. That's just temporary, so we're going to take care of that. And the chains are different heights or whatever, or one of the little bars inside is set a little bit differently, so I think one of these is almost an inch higher, if you can tell. So that might need to get changed. But they're hanging for now. They actually look pretty cool. At first I was like, these look retarded, but they have like little bedazzles in them. So it's like blue, green, and then just the normal hole with the light bulb, so it looks yellow. So anyways, they look cool, but they're each $891. That's what the sticker said, so I don't know if that's what they actually paid for it, but both of these are $1,782 or something. It's like $1,782 for both of these or something. If that's correct, that's insane. They're just made out of like light aluminum or whatever, or something kind of metal. But anyways, got those done. And then heading over here, I did some stuff over here on the 6th floor. This is on the top floor. As you can see, yep, also my phone battery is probably gonna die, so if it runs out, then I'm sorry, that's all you're getting, because I ain't going to the car and coming back. Anyways, I worked on a couple of these water heaters, one right here. So I just hardwired that into this box, added this extension ring, and then that'll be a plug for this little red thing up here. So that'll have a whip plugged into it with a plug-in on the end of it, and it'll just go straight into the plug-in. And same thing downstairs. I'm gonna probably forget a bunch of stuff that I did because there's just so many things I did today. I helped the guy pull a little bit of wire right there, so give him a hand with that. I'm just gonna stop and try to think. Also, I did some stuff on the roof, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. All right, so I'm up here on the roof, and I added this piece of seal tight and this box coming out of this red pipe right here. So I just added a rigid nipple and then this little bell box with the waterproof cover. And someone did a poor job of fire caulking this. Actually, I think they actually fixed it. So I think they finally got that taken care of because it was leaking. So I did this on the roof this morning. So as you can see, this is where it was leaking from outside. I also pushed down a red and black wire, which goes into this, whatever that thing is for the, whatever those dudes are. So I pulled the wire in for them and they finished that up. And then I'll show you guys downstairs. And I guess there's still some people here. But I worked on this water heater right here. As you can see, hardwired this one out the top. I was gonna go out the middle, but I started to hardwire that, which is a plug-in, so I just didn't mess with my hole. And then that's a plug-in. And this is hardwired here, kind of zip tied. I don't know if that's illegal, but whatever, you can cut those, but I just try to keep it clean as possible. And then this emergency light right here, had to fix that because there's an emergency button in there. You probably can't see it, but oh, there it is. So that emergency button, I had to drill that into the side of the can and then plug that in because the first one was in the way. Whoever did it put it right in the way of the spring, and then so I just had to fix that one. All right, so I think I was only on 4, 5, and 6 today. This is down on the 4th floor. So I hung this light right here, just added this wire out of the box, and then hung this 4-foot little LED strip light on jack chain, and then zip tied the wire down. So I did that, which was annoying to work around this because there's also this little tub thing right here, so the ladder doesn't really fit in there. You have to do it like sideways, so it's super annoying. But anyways, I got the flashlight on, so I'm gonna be right back, turn that off. And then I also worked in here, and I hardwired this in. I hear water running down this pipe, which creeped me out. Anyways, I hung this light above the door. There was just a wire stubbing out, so I didn't really feel like drilling a hole in the back of this and working extra hard, so I just put it there, so it's kind of off-centered, but whatever, no one really cares. If I moved over a foot, it would have been more work. So anyways, got this one done, and then that other LED strip light behind me. And then lastly, I made up the lastly made up the power out here. So all these lights are now working from the other day, which is pretty cool. It actually lights up really bright, so actually super impressed. They're 8-footers, just two, I think they're 2 4-foot stuck together, I think, on jack chain. So basically just went over here. As you can see, my exit signs are now lit up on this floor. Just made up this junction box right here, and then had the guy flip the breaker on for me. So anyways, it turned out pretty nice, and pretty happy about it. So that'll wrap it up, guys. Oh, and I also, I think it was this floor, I wired up this water fountain, but then they covered it all up. Basically, there's a little junction box right here, and I think there's a plug-in or something that, I don't know, you plug that thing in or whatever, but there's a junction box, and you take your MC wire in, and then you have this little box to make it up, and there's a bunch of stuff in the way, so I literally had like 2 inches to work with or whatever to tie these wires together and put the cover back on. It took me way longer than it should have because everything was in the way and it just wasn't working, so finally got it. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. I think we made it through everything on the list without my phone dying, so that's great. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna grab my stuff and get ready to head home. But hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. And don't forget to check out the description if you want to follow along on my social medias, or if you want to hit the notification bell, then you will be notified when I upload a video or do a live stream, which I did last night, I think. So thanks for the people that came by and hung out for a little bit while I was eating my dinner after work. So that was cool. Anyways, guys, God bless. I will see you later tomorrow. Peace out.